you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently having a bit of a chill day, organised day, life admin day, sort my life out kind of day. So I thought I would do a little bit of a vlog. I want to show you some new prints that I've got from DESENIO, a discount code that I've got valid for 48 hours, and just some bits that I've picked up for my holiday. And I need to pop to Primark, so I thought I would do a little bit of a Primark come shop with me. So a bit of a random video, but I just thought I may as well get another video out there. This video is kindly in collaboration with DESENIO, so I have got a 35% off code for you, and all the information as always will be in the description box. So I'm going to show you the prints first. I'm going to show you some of them up as well, because I have actually put some of them up already. So if you've been here before, you know that I am a big fan of DESENIO. I've got their prints in my bedroom. In fact, you know what, I've got their prints everywhere, in every room in the house so far, minus the bathroom. But yes, in my last video I showed you my bathroom updates, and the same with the prints in the lounge. I just feel like they make such a difference, and actually my bedroom looks so much better. If I didn't have the prints on the wall now, they would look so weird. So I'm a big fan. So I've picked up quite a few prints this time because I feel like I just need a complete freshen up. But the code that I've got for you is LFAYE. So I'll pop it down on the screen here. It's LFAYE. You can save 35% off your prints. It excludes the personalised prints and the kits, but everything else is included print wise. So like I say, 35% off. You can use it on all the prints excluding the personalised and the kits. So the 3 prints in the hallway are my absolute favourite. I feel like they're so nice. So as you'll see from the clip, there are 3 ones. They're all black and white with a white frame. I literally love them. They're actually my favourite from this little collection that I've got going on. So once I've got the wall painted and the radiator cover in there, I feel like it's going to look so much nicer. And then, as I say, I've changed up the ones in the lounge. But I'm sure you'll notice that I've still got quite a few to put up. And I'm not the best at DIY, let's be honest. DIY is not my forte. Maybe one day, but right now it's not happening. As I say, that code is only valid for 48 hours, so that expires at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday the 12th of May. So be quick. I hate saying that, but it's true. Like, it's literally a 48-hour thing. So let me take you off here and I'll show you the prints. It's hard to show you without getting me in it, but I just feel like these 3 prints make the world of difference to the hallway. I'm going to repaint the wall and put a nice little radiator cover underneath with a few little bits and bobs on. So I'm a big fan of these prints. Okay, so as you can see, these are the prints that I put up last time. I'm literally going to just do a quick swap over of the new ones I've got, so I will show you when they're done. But all of these 3 prints are also from DESENIO. Okay, so I picked up quite a few prints, and to be honest, I can't decide what ones look the best next to each other because I did actually get quite a few. So these are 5 that I picked up. They're all quite neutral ones. They're not obviously all for the lounge, but I did think that I wanted to get some neutral ones because I feel like they'll go everywhere. So these are the first 5 that I picked up. I then also picked up these 2 just because I thought this one was pretty and I liked the quote in this one. Again, they're all on white frames. I have got some in black frames that I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, so these are the black ones. I'm literally obsessed with these. As I said to you about the hallway ones, I'm loving black prints at the moment. This one is my favourite, and then obviously this one I just thought was quite cute. Love them 2 together. So these 2 are for the spare room. I don't think they're going to be too heavy to go on the shelf, so I'm hoping they'll fit. If not, I'll just put one on there and find another home for the other one. But yeah, this whole vibe is kind of like my favourite. I feel like it's quite good as well because you can literally just move things around. Like if you want to freshen up in your home, you can literally like move some prints around and have a little switch up without necessarily buying more. So I'd say to definitely buy some ones that are more like neutral that you can switch around the house, and that way you're kind of like not spending loads. You're just kind of moving things around almost like what you would do with a ladder shelf, like styling it. So yeah, these are good because you can literally switch them around different rooms. Okay, so for now I have put these 3 prints together. I'm not going to lie to you, in about an hour I'll probably change my mind and be swapping them around all day. But these 3, I just really like them. They're all quite neutral. So let's hope I keep these here, but I do think they do make such a difference to the room. And as I say before, you can literally swap them over when you get bored, which, as you can probably tell, I'll probably be moving these around all the time until I can work out what ones look good. I basically need my mum here. She's like a pro at interiors. So mum, I need you to come around basically and sort it all out. But as you can see, I do really like them, and they do make a big difference to these little shelves. And I don't feel like the prints and frames are too heavy, so I do think that they will be fine on these little picture shelves, which are from Homebase, by the way. If you click the link in my description box, it will actually take you to all the prints that I've got, so that's probably a lot easier than me listing them all out. Okay, so as you can see, and as you may remember from my last Desenio vlog that I did, I got this print in a black frame, and if I'm honest, ever since I've always wished it was white, so I actually ordered another one in white, and in a minute I'm going to go and replace it. I just feel like, well, as you can see there, it just complements the room so much better, and I actually feel like the white frame makes the print look a lot bigger. So I'm just going to replace the black one with the white one, and then what I'll do is take the black one to my mum's house because it would look nice at her house. So yeah, I'm going to quickly change that over now, and then I'll show you the difference. Okay, so as you can see, I've literally just replaced the white one instead of the black, and I do prefer it. I've just scratched the wall a little bit, but it's fine because this whole room is getting redecorated. So if you can see any marks, excuse those, because I'm going to redecorate and paint it all. But yeah, basically the white one I just think looks so much nicer. It fits in more with the decor of the room. Guys, I'm obsessed. This Primark is insane. Look at all these summer colours. And then you've got blue, green. Look at all these colours. That is so cute. Little gingham set. I need that ASAP. Mum, how cute is that gingham set? Obviously they've not got my size. I said obviously they've not got my size. These little hair scarves are really cute as well. They've got them in orange and pink, and then they've got a little cord, that's the top, and then that's the skirt. They've got it on the mannequin in the window. It looks really cute. It's got like this ruche detail at the top. Oh look, they've also got that in blue, the top and the skirt combo. Such a nice colour. And then they've got these little green shirts, which are just like these Zara ones that I wore last year. I've still got them. These are so handy for just chucking on at home. Especially if you're just chilling at home but it's sunny outside, you want to sit in the garden. They're £9 and they've got them in these two colours here. Love that. These are cute little vibes. The flowery jeans and pink is just everywhere again this year. Got little jackets. I know, those tops don't suit me though, Mum. No, look. These are really pretty, as Mum said, but they just don't suit me. This cut does not work for me. These are actually so cute. I feel like I would never wear them, but they're really cute. And they've got little hair accessories, all the pastel colours, and headbands to match. Loads of purple again in. I need to go to the Birmingham one again because that was insane. Oh, they've got them in lilac. They've got them here too. Cute little purple colour. Yeah, they're really cute because they're cropped. Cropped PJs, how cute is that? It's a bit bright, but I love that. And they've got shorts to match and a cami if you prefer a cami. Primark Home Heaven. Oh my god, look. So many nice bits. Oh look, they've got the rattan jugs back in again, Mum. From last summer. And loads of little accessories, dipping bowls, little pink dishes, pink glasses, canisters, tablecloths. Honestly, there's so much in here. Oh my god, how nice is this? How much are they? £6. That's crazy, isn't it? Got quite a few little nice bits. They've also got some tumbler glasses, black glasses, little napkin holder. Guys, I'm literally in my element. I'm going to stay here all day. Look at all of this. So many cute little bits. Little cushions. Oh look. This is like my whole favourite kind of vibe. Look at all of these. These are like little wreaths. They're adorable. Then we've got all the fake flowers. Loads of little storage baskets, rattan trays. Look at these. I'm looking for the little white ones that they had on their Instagram. I don't think they've got them. They've got these little pink ones. And there's some more like neutral vases. Look at all of this. Literally my element. Oh my god, are they rugs? Yeah, we've even got rugs. And then there's also like some doormats at the top there. £90, I'm obsessed. They've also got the little side tables back in and the 2 marble tables there for £45. But that chair, oh my god, I want it. I've got nowhere for it to go, but I really want it. Now I'm going to show you a few bits that I picked up when I went shopping. I did spoil myself a little bit, but I tend to find that like with makeup and stuff, things run out like all at the same time, which for us is probably a massive inconvenience because I'm sure it doesn't just happen to me, but when it does happen, you need to obviously like replace the stuff that you've run out of. So I went to NARS and I wanted to try their new tinted moisturiser. So I hadn't actually run out of that one, but I had run out of a foundation of theirs that I use. I don't use it every day. I use it like I don't know. I was going to say for special occasions, but it is just random. There's no like rhyme or reason to how I use it. So let me show you the bits that I picked up in there. So I went for the Radiant Longwear foundation in shade Punjab, which is medium 1, and I got that one because that's like my daytime foundation, not necessarily in summer, maybe in winter, but it's like a daytime foundation. And then I picked up their tinted moisturiser in light 0, which I believe is their lightest shade, because would you believe I'm actually very, very pale. I don't really have any fake tan on at the moment, but I'm very fair skinned, so I went for that one because I do want something that just doesn't show up. Like, I know it sounds silly, but when I wear tinted moisturisers, they normally still look a bit patchy and orange. Not orange, but like they oxidise, and I didn't really want that. So I went for a really natural one. I can still set it, put bronzer on and stuff. So speaking of bronzers, I then picked up the NARS bronzer in Laguna. The girl that I spoke to in the shop tested it out on me and I thought, do you know what, it's quite nice. Kind of wish I got a blusher, but I think I might get one at the airport. So that was a small fortune. But I do find that, like it does take me a while to get through them all. So I'm not too worried about that because I know that I will use them and I'll get my use out of them. It's just typical that I ran out just before my holiday. As I'm sure you will have seen by now, the little Primark clips, guys. Primark is unreal at the moment. I've picked up quite a few bits, but I'm thinking I might show you a few, but then save some for like a big haul when I get back from holiday. Or maybe film it before I go if I have time, because honestly there was so much stuff in there summer wise. Loads of like cute colours, as you've seen, like all the pastel colours, all the bright colours. I'm really loving Primark at the moment, and they've got so many good bags and shoes. So let me show you just a few bits that I picked up and then I'll save the rest for a haul. So just a little bit of a pre-warning, these shorts are my absolute favourite. Mum saw them, Mum pointed them out to me when they were on the hanger, and I was like, yeah, they're okay, but they're nothing special. She was like, yeah, but they've got no waist, like they're really nice, they're going to just be really easy to chuck on. I tried them on with a bikini top that I also bought, which I'll show you in a minute. Honestly, it looks so nice, so effortless. These were £7. I got them in a size 8, so I did go down a size. They're high-waisted, but they've got no waist, if that makes sense. I absolutely love these. They are literally perfect. These are like the must-have holiday accessory, summer accessory for this year. I'm not joking, they're so lightweight. They look really flattering. I'll probably upload a photo of these on my Instagram when I'm away, because that is the reason I bought them. So I got those, and then because it's kind of like an off-white colour, I went for an off-white bikini top, which I'll show you now to pair it with. To be completely honest, this feels way more like a bra when you've got it on. So this is the top. So this one I got for £6 in a size 10. It is a really nice crinkle material, as you can see there. It definitely fits more like a sports bra, but that's quite nice because it's really comfy. So that with the shorts, outfit sorted. I then also picked up, oh my god, this is the perfect chuck on, a linen style play suit. It's super lightweight, super thin. I got this for £10. I actually got an extra small because it does come up quite big. Obviously you don't want something like this to be tight. The whole point of it is it's like to chuck on when you're going to grab lunch or when you're going out, like out of the pool, whatever. But honestly, I absolutely love this. So I feel like this with a nice pair of flip-flops will be like a perfect cover up for a beach day, or even just like popping out for like lunch or something, or down to breakfast. As I say to you, the material is really thin and it really reminds me of like that linen style material. And then the last thing I'm going to show you, because I'm going to save the rest for a haul, is this Primark play suit. Love this kind of like burnt orange colour. As you can see here, sorry, that's my phone going off. Really cute little play suit. £10, sorry, size 10, £9, again a bargain. I got this in a 10 and I probably could have even got a 12 if I wanted it to be like quite loose, which normally with these kinds of things you can do, so I'm really happy with that one. I then picked up these shorts from Mango. I'm kind of cheating a little bit with these because I actually picked these up when I was in Spain the week before last, but they have them in the UK. I saw them in Mango. So these are just some denim shorts. I like them because they're kind of plain, they're mum high-waisted, but they, I should have actually worded that a bit better. They're high-waist mum shorts, but there's like nothing hanging out basically. They cover you from all angles. I thought this would look nice with a really cute belt and a nice top on holiday with some wedges. Do you know what? I actually have so many denim shorts, but I need to face facts that my body isn't what it was when I was 18 years old, and they're just too skimpy for me now. So I'm gonna put loads on Vinted, which I've actually signed up to, by the way. Opened an account, whatever you want to call it. So I have got a Vinted. Again, I'll pop that in the description box. But yeah, I really like these. They were €19.99 in euros. But yeah, definitely have a look over here. I'll see if I can link them below because they're actually really nice on. I also picked up some underwear from Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, love it so much, but obviously that came with a bit of a hefty price tag. I also picked up some Apple AirTags. I'm so excited. I've seen so many people use it for their luggage. I joined the club. So I'm going to be putting that in my suitcase. I'm looking forward to tracking that. I don't know why, just easily amused clearly. So those are some other little bits and bobs that I picked up. Like I said, I've got quite a bit more from Primark, but I feel like I should save it for a bit of a Primark haul. I've now got to spend the afternoon doing a Pretty Little Thing return, which I feel like I ordered so much stuff and I'm literally sending back like 90% of it just because it doesn't fit right, or I don't like it on me. But I have got like 3 dresses that I'm keeping for my holiday, which you'll see no doubt in my Ibiza vlog. I think I'm gonna vlog. I wasn't gonna, but I think I am now. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm trying to get on board with all the vlogs. But I will get back to normal with all my hauls and everything. So I'm kind of going to leave it there. I just wanted to do a little bit of a vlog, show you what I bought, show you the DESENIO prints. If you want to know what prints I've picked up and frames, etc., it will be on the link in my description box. So have a little look on there. It's all there, but obviously message me if you have any questions. I'm now going to go and package up my PLT return and have some lunch because it is 3 o'clock and all I've had to eat today is a mini Kit Kat. Orange though, so good. So I'm gonna get cracking, but I will see you in my next video.